So this is the exhaust episode. That happened today. I'll have some pictures on the screen right now. So you can see we had her loaded up, took her into town to the local exhaust shop I've used, several times in the past, and years ago. Been around a long time, does great work with an H pipe, and then the Magnaflow mufflers, and then we just dumped it right over the spare tire carrier cross brace, because plan to have a hitch on there one day and don't want that in the way. Don't want to deal with having to have it moved later on. Went ahead and tucked it up nice and tight in the frame rail as well, because if we ever do decide this truck wants to be like slammed and we have to do the whole C-notch situation, I really don't want to have to go back and have the exhaust done over again. So the way it's routed should be good for whatever modifications. We're learning. Everything's looking good. Honestly, I can't understand what kind of voodoo's going on inside these Magnaflow mufflers, because they are very quiet. These are 2.5-inch duals with a 2.5-inch H pipe right after the transmission yoke. And then these flow-through mufflers. It's pretty impressive, to be honest, because it was pretty gnarly sounding with the open headers, as you would expect. But I honestly expected more noise out of these, but I don't mind it. But I think when you hit the loud pedal, that stuff changes too. So once this finishes doing its idle learning and air fuel adjustments, etc., I think it'll tell us to take it for a drive. So we'll do that as well. Stay tuned.